doing a product review of this towel, independent towel rack that I bought for my bathroom. I just bought a house and I'm fitting my bathrooms out. A couple issues with this makes me not want to keep it because it is a tad bit flimsy, even though you have balancing legs. That can be adjusted, no problem. My issue is, you'll notice that that last edge there is parallel to the wall. Well, it's not parallel to the wall when you look at the rest of the assembly. It actually, it's hard to show, but it's not true, and I'll show you how. I know that this shelf here is true horizontal because I used a level to install it. So if I straighten this out to true, this is what it looks like down here. It's not true. There's something crooked and twisted about it, and it's a good product in theory, but you don't have consistent edges, and it looks horrible from up here. You can just see that there's a gap. There's about 3 inches between my wall and the rack, and here is about 2 inches. So I'll be sending this back. I did buy 2 of them, and unfortunately it wasn't a good fit just because of the imbalance of the edges. It's not doing it for me.
Extremely crooked. And on this side, this falls right out.